Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to accept channel admin invite on WhatsApp, right? To how to do it, I will show you over the WhatsApp. So this is my WhatsApp and you will see this option. Follow this link to join my WhatsApp group, right? To become an admin, you have to join the group. So maybe that person have sent you in this way. So just click on this and you will able to join that group. So it will load for a few seconds here. So you have to just wait. So guys, here you can see that I have been added to this group now, right? So now how you can become a admin? So you have to ask the owner to just make you admin. So I will just ask him, make me admin, right? So once I ask him to make me admin, if that person allow, if that person just go to the group settings and here edit group admin, and here it will add me as an admin. Right here you can see updating group admin and it will just add a few seconds, and after that you will become admin of the group, right? So this is how you can accept channel admin invite, and I hope you found this video really useful. If you did, subscribe.